The Da-Lite Idea Screen is an erasable screen that does not hotspot or glare under projection. We've had it out for a couple of years now, but as interactivity technology progresses, we needed a more rigid or more uniform surface so that when you interact with the screen, you don't get false positives. A few upgrades that we've made to the new Idea Screen is that it has an improved surface uniformity and rigidity so that when you're interacting, it is the best solution for any technology on the market. We've also included a magnetic surface for all Idea Screens as well as a thin frame. One of the other things that we've heard from our customers that they really would like is a larger screen, so they now come in sizes up to 60 inches tall and panoramic, so you can cover a wall with an Idea Screen. With all the upgrades we've made to the Idea line, I'd like to show you how it works. Let's take a look over here. Here we are with the Panoramic Idea Screen with its new rigidity and the new upgraded options. As you can see, the touch interactivity is fantastic. If a teacher wants to annotate directly onto the screen during a lesson plan, they're able to do that just with the touch interactivity. Almost operates like your phone. You're able to erase, you're able to draw directly on the screen, whether it's video, you're able to pull up grids, whatever it might be. You can erase the whole thing or in pieces and go back and forth between the video and being able to draw on the screen. So here I can now move the screen again and go maybe look at something else. The ROI on the Idea Screen is that long-term, as the technology advances, you know you're going to have the surface uniformity and the rigidity that you need for the best interactivity possible. From the integration perspective, the Idea Screen Panoramic will ship in one box. We have upgraded our packaging to a new design, so all three panels ship in one box to ensure that they're protected as well as very easy to install. Because of the new standard features and all the improvements we've made for the interactivity, we are very excited to bring the new Idea line to market.